Good morning. I'm here next to the memorial bridge on the Chao Phraya river, and I'm doing my early bike ride, and I noticed that this path, which I used to ride along quite a bit, is closed at the moment, and they are constructing a new walking slash cycling path along the river. So normally you were able to ride through here, and then you could pass under the memorial bridge. It seems that they already put the new pontoons in here. See, they drilled holes in the pathway, and I guess it's gonna be on top of that. By the way, these yellow machines that you see there, these are river cleaners, and I've seen them work before, and it looks really interesting. So they basically have the big shovel in the front that goes through the water, and then in that way they pick out all the garbage. Yeah, so for the moment it's not possible to ride along the Chao Phraya river here on the Thonburi side. So this is how it's supposed to look in the future, and this is an announcement where they ask the cooperation of the neighbors and apologize for any inconvenience. And the construction, I think, started in November 2021. So let's see how long it's gonna take. This is exactly the type of video for which I created the Bangkok Expat channel besides the Global Travel Mate, because I just want to give a quick update. It's only a few minutes. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.